Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Haris bin Abdul Rashid, metric number 2212901, and my group will present about our system, VenueVentures. So, I will present the background of our system. Firstly, the problem statement. The current process of booking venues for events and meetings at IIUM is inefficient and time-consuming, leading to scheduling difficulties and wasted efforts for students and staff. The existing system relies on physically visiting the respective kuliah's general office to request venue bookings, resulting in coordination challenges and a lack of guarantee for successful bookings. Additionally, the reliance on a physical logbook for recording requests introduces the risk of data redundancy, data loss, and delays in confirmation. And now, we need to identify the user requirements to solve these problem statements. First is to have an online booking system. We have to implement an online platform or system that allows students and staff to easily request and book venues for their events and meetings. Second is to have a centralized venue database. Maintain a centralized and up-to-date database of available venues on campus, including details such as capacity, facilities, and availability. The third, of course, is a user-friendly interface. We have to design a user-friendly interface for the booking system that is intuitive and easy to navigate, enabling users to quickly search for and select suitable venues based on their requirements. Next is a real-time availability updates. This is to provide real-time updates on venue availability, ensuring that users can see current booking statuses and avoid conflicts when requesting a specific venue. And lastly is data security and privacy. This is to ensure the security and privacy of user data and booking information by implementing appropriate data protection measures and adhering to relevant regulations. Next, why did we decide to do a venue booking system? So firstly, it fulfills user requirements. As you can see from our prototype that we will present later, it fulfills most of the user requirements that we have listed before. Second is to improve university's environment. Then to replace the current tedious system to book a venue, which I will explain the problem in the next slide. And finally is to ease the process of booking a venue in terms of time and energy. So the third reason is to replace the current and tedious system to book a venue, right? So what's wrong with the current system, right? So firstly, it is a lengthy and tedious process. So the process of booking venues right now involves multiple steps and requires individuals to visit different kuliah offices, resulting in wasted time and energy. Second is ineffective booking system. Students and staff face difficulties in finding suitable venues for their events due to a lack of centralized and efficient booking procedures, and there is no guarantee that their requests will be successfully accommodated. Third, which is I think is a really big issue, is paper waste. The current system relies on hard copy forms for booking requests, leading to unnecessary paper usage and environmental impact. Next is coordination challenges. Coordinating with various officers and staff members to secure venue bookings can be challenging and time-consuming, leading to schedule conflicts and difficulties in organizing events. And lastly, data redundancy and loss. The reliance on a physical logbook for recording bookings increases the risk of data redundancy, loss, and delays in confirming bookings. This can result in confusion and inefficiencies in managing venue availability. Overall, the problems faced at IIUM include inefficiency, wasted resources, difficulty in securing venues, and potential data management issues caused by the current manual booking process. So, we decided to use the agile software development model that includes product backlogging, sprint backlogging, sprinting, which includes planning, implementation, review, and retrospective, and daily scrums. So this is our use case diagram. And also our test case or use case specification. Finally, our activity diagram. And the moment you've been waiting for, this is our lovely prototype. So as you can see, it is a very simple and nice prototype. So I will pass to my next group member to present about the prototype.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq, metric number 2211305, and I will presenting about our prototype project, which is VenueVentures. Okay, as you can see here, this is our homepage for our prototype, and if you go to the top right side, you can see here there is a login button. When the user click it, it will bring the user to the login page, which is user need to put their email and password to log in, or just log in it with Google or Facebook. For example, if I click the Google one and choose my account, and now I already log in into our website. Yeah, like you see here. And beside it, you can see there is a venue button. So when user click it, it will bring the user to the venue options, and next to it is a home button. So when the user click it, it will bring the user to the home page again. And that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Fahmi bin Ahmad ZAKI. So I will be listing the venue for our booking system. So here is the home page. All you have to do is click on the venue here, and it will direct you into the venue option. So we have all venue, general venue, and finally the kuliah venue. So all venue combines the general and kuliah. So we have here is 7 venues in total, which is here. And if we click on the general, it will show the general venue, which is the main Audi, IUM CSC, IUM Shafs Mosque, MPH, and finally the ICC Banquet Hall. And for the kuliah, we have 3 venues here, which is the ICT Lecture Room, ICOL Lecture Room, and finally the ICT MPH. So here, they show the venue and the dates on the days, which is the working days, the venue name, and finally the reserve button. So if you want to reserve the venue of your choice, all you have to do is click on the reserve button, which is the reserve now. Unfortunately, for this reserve button, it has yet to be updated. My friend, my groupmate, will be explain on how to reserve the venue later. Alright, that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum, my name is UMAR bin FAUZAN. I'll be explaining about the profile page for our venue booking system. So if you click on your profile icon and you click on profile, it'll bring you to this page. It'll show you your username, your profile pictures, and you can write something about yourself here. You can also edit your profile. Okay, and here you can change your display name, your username here, and your title like Mr., Mrs., or Doctor, or Professor. You can also change your name, your email, and your phone account, and then you can click update to update your info. You can also put your website or anything that you want here. You can also make your profile visible to others or not, and here you can see your club members or for the my bookings part. Okay, and here you can see your upcoming venue bookings. Like it will show you the dates, the time, your venue, and the status whether it's been approved or not by the admin. And for the history, you can also see your past bookings when you use our website. Yeah. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is GHAFUR and I will be demonstrating our website reservation process. So, in order to reserve a venue in our website, the user will need to log in first. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. Okay, so the user will need to go to the venue page. As you can see here, all these venue are provided in this page, so the user or the student can choose wherever place they want to reserve. So as you can see, for example, I want to reserve a main auditorium. So you see here, the user can click on this button or the picture here. So let's reserve now. Okay, as you can see, the user will be sent to this page here. This is set date and time page, as you can see. So here, the user will need to choose the date of when will they reserve the venue on. Okay, for example, I want to serve on this Friday, and they will be provided the time when can the venue be reserved during the day. As you can see here, there's a 9 a.m. slot and there's also 2:30 p.m. slot. As you can see here, the user can choose either either one of this. Okay, so it will show the details of this particular venue here. As you can see, the staff member is of course the one who will the admin who approve of this venue. As you can see, okay, as soon as the user already made up their mind, they can reserve now. So after reserve now, the user will be sent to the venue page actually. Since the weeks is pretty limited, we are going to demonstrate it manually. Okay, so after they already reserve the venue, it will be shown at our booking history. Okay, as you can see, it will be shown here. Okay. But then, if they just make the bookings or reservation, the status will be pending because the admin will need to approve of their request. Yes. So as soon as the admin approve of their request, uh, it will be it will show the actual time and date when will the venue be reserved on. Okay. So if the admin actually deny their request, it will say denied on the status, and the user will need to uh, reserve on another day or another place. Okay, that's all for the reservation process. Thank you very much.